create a Trailhead account in Salesforce, follow these steps. Access Trailhead website. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trailhead website. Click Sign Up. On the Trailhead homepage, locate and click the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. Fill out registration form. You'll be directed to the registration page. Fill out the registration form with your details, including your first name, last name, email address, and desired username. Choose a strong password for your account. Complete verification. After filling out the registration form, click Sign Me Up. Salesforce may send a verification email to the email address you provided. Check your email inbox and follow the instructions in the verification email to confirm your email address. Confirm account. Once you've confirmed your email address, return to the Trailhead website. You may need to log in with your newly created username and password. Explore Trailhead. With your Trailhead account created and verified, you can now explore the various trails, modules, and projects available on the platform to learn Salesforce skills and earn badges and certifications.